So guys, what's smaller than a little moose? Why, it looks like it's these pliers from Knipex. Little moose. You gonna say anything for the camera today, Moose? She's not saying a word. Alright, Moose. So what we have here are, at the bottom, a number 8603125 Knipex Mini Pliers Wrench. And then at the top we have the 8701125 Knipex Cobra High-Tech Water Pump Pliers. Now I bought these off of Amazon and they currently ran $91.88. Now as bought with this pouch, it is the Knipex Mini Plier Set in a belt tool pouch, and it is the number 002072V04. Now this tool bag is pretty cool. I really like this back clip. You can see that it's rigid, some type of a nylon material, whatever, rigid, and you can see where it catches. So when you put this on your belt, you have easy access to unclip it and take it off without having to remove your belt, undo the belt. Here's a close-up of that. Now this tool bag is made of durable polyester fabric, and it's got hook and loop fasteners for the flap. Got two sections in there. And it looks like, well, it doesn't quite reach. There's a hook and loop here, but that's not going to make it. And I'll tell you guys, you can just see the quality in these. I mean, I'm pushing down on these. These are nice. And what I like is it's got these notches here to where when you adjust this, you push this knob in, and it locks in a multitude of, and it can't slip, a multitude of positions, and it can't slip like some will. Made in Germany. And this mini pliers wrench has the same setup, same type of grooves. Push this in, and it looks like this has some kind of like a compound, not sure what you would call that mechanism. Now this has nice thin jaws. And one thing I look at when I look at pliers that I buy is see how they mate the face, and both of these, they're perfect.